Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add tabs in Google Sites. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once logged in, from the main dashboard, we can either select a blank site, a site prepared for you by Google Sites, or a recent site that you have been working on. Select the site that you want to use for this project. Now, tabs are what we see right here on the top right of your screen. So, to add more of this, simply go to the right corner and click on Pages. These are the different tabs already existing on this site. To add a new one, simply hover your mouse in here on the plus button and click on New Page. So every new page will act as a new tab added to your site. Let's add a new page right here. Let's say this is Drew. Then let's add a new one. New one would be Park. And another one would be Anna. And as simple as that, as you can see, all those new tabs are already added to your site. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!